Welcome to paradise. Imagine lush green rice terraces, crystal clear beaches, and the sound of gentle waves kissing the shore. Today, we are taking you on a journey to Bali, Indonesia, an island that's known for its beauty, culture, and peaceful vibes. Whether you are looking to relax, explore, or discover hidden gems, Bali has something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive into Bali's landscapes and breathtaking wonders. Bali, Indonesia is one of the most famous travel destinations in the world. This beautiful island is known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Located in Southeast Asia, Bali attracts millions of visitors each year who come to explore its natural beauty and experience its unique tradition. One of the first things you will notice about Bali is its beautiful beaches. The island is home to some of the best beaches in the world. Whether you are a surfer, a sunbather, or someone who just loves to explore, Bali has a beach for you. Kuta Beach is famous for its waves, perfect for surfing. The soft sand and clear blue water make it a great place to relax and watch the sunset. If you prefer quieter, more peaceful beaches, head to Sanur or Nusa. These beaches are calm and perfect for swimming or laughing under the sun. The views here are just incredible, and the gentle waves make it the ideal spot for families or everyone who just wants to unwind. But Bali isn't just about the beaches. The island is also home to lush rice terraces that you want that you wouldn't want to miss. The Tigalang rice terraces in Ubud are one of the most popular spots. These green terraces stretch across the landscape in perfect lines, making the scene look like something out of a dream. The terraces are not only beautiful but also important to Bali's agriculture, as rice farming is a key part of Balinese culture. When you visit the rice terraces, take some time to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. You can take a walk through the fields, sip a coconut, or simply relax and take in the amazing views. The Lang area is also great for photography, so doesn't forget your camera. Bali's culture is one of its strongest attractions. The island has deep spiritual connection, and you can feel it in the air. Hindu temples are found all over Bali, and many of them are surrounded by lush nature, making them even more magical to visit. Tanalot Temple, perched on a rock in the ocean, is one of Bali's most iconic landmarks. People come from all over the world to visit this temple during sunset, as the view is truly breathtaking. Another famous temple is Uluwatu Temple, located on a cliff with a stunning view of the Indian Ocean. Many visitors also enjoy watching the traditional cake fire dance at Uluwatu temple, where dancers perform around a bonfire as the sun sets behind them. In addition to temples, Bali is known for its vibrant arts and crafts. The town of Ubud is a cultural hub where you can find traditional Balinese paintings, wood carving, and woven items. Ubud is also a great place to explore local markets where you can buy souvenirs like handmade jewelry, paintings, and unique clothing. The Ubud Monkey Forest is another popular spot where you can see hundreds of playful monkeys living in a jungle-like setting. For these who want to explore more of the Bali's nature, you can visit its waterfalls. Bali is home to some amazing waterfalls such as Gate Waterfall and Seminyak Waterfall. These waterfalls are surrounded by tropical plants and offer a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. Many waterfalls are located in peaceful green areas, so they provide a perfect setting for a nature walk or a swim. If you love adventure, Bali has plenty of exciting activities. You can go snorkeling or diving to explore the colorful underwater world of Bali. Amid and Minjangan Island are popular spots for diving, where you can see beautiful coral reefs and tropical fish. If you are not hiking, you can climb Mount Batur, an active volcano. Hiking to the top for a sunrise view is a once in a lifetime experience that will take your breath away. Bali's food scene is another highlight. The island offers a wide variety of delicious dishes that are full of flavors. One of the most famous dishes is nasi goreng, a fried rice dish that is often served with chicken, vegetables, and a fried egg on top. Another popular dish is bobi goreng, a Balinese style roast pork. You can also try mai goreng, a fried noodle dish, and ceviche or skewered meat served with a delicious peanut sauce. For those with a sweet tooth, Bali has many delicious desserts to try, such as kalefon, a rice cake filled with warm sugar, and dadar golang, a green pancake filled with coconut and sugar. If you are looking for a refreshing drink, try jamu, a traditional Balinese herbal drink made from spices and herbs. Bali is also known for its wellness scene. Many visitors come to Bali to relax and rejuvenate at one of the island's luxury resorts. Yoga retreats or spas. Bali offers some of the best wellness experiences, including traditional Balinese massages and spa treatments. Ubud is famous for its wellness retreats, where you can attend yoga classes, meditate, and enjoy healthy food. Bali is also a great place to shop, from high-end boutiques in Seminyak to local markets in Ubud. You can find everything from handmade crafts to designer clothes. Seminyak is the place for luxury shopping, while Kota offers a more budget-friendly shopping experience with plenty of stores and souvenir shops. The people of Bali are known for their kindness and warmth. Balinese culture is centered around the concept of Trihita Karana, which means balance between people, nature, and the divine. Visitors often feel welcomed by the locals, and it's easy to see how important family, religion, and community are in Bali's daily life. From stunning beaches to sacred temples and incredible food, Bali truly has something for everyone. It is a place where adventure and relaxation come together, making it a perfect tradition for any traveler. So, whether you are planning a trip or just dreaming of your next gateway, remember that Bali's beauty and charm are waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this Bali adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a journey to a new beautiful place.